Good afternoon, YouTube, from a cloudy, somewhat cold day here in South Texas in January. What I have here for you today, video description wise, is a 2002 Z06 brake control module. EBCM is otherwise what these are called. This would be an SF code, part number 1032-3578. This would be from the base model suspension cars without the active handling or things of that nature. As you can see, it's actually very clean unit, not a lot of road grime or dirt even on it. This car had about 60,000 miles on it when it was dismantled, unfortunately. Ports are clean on it. That one needs a little bit of clean out, I can see, that I'll probably get to. But other than that, everything worked good. There were no codes showing on this assembly. Everything looked to be in good shape, so it's very nice condition. If you're looking for EBCMs for other year model, then this fits 01 to 04, by the way. I didn't mention that before. But if you're looking for other EBCMs or other things of that nature for your Corvette C5Ys, give me a call, 832-654-7367. I also have other Corvette parts. I've been dealing in Corvette parts for nothing but almost 19 years now, so I probably have what you need or can find it for you. Thanks for watching.